Tinkergineering. Today we are going to be doing a Tinkergineering succulent plant. So I hope you noticed we got a Tinkergineering shirt, which is actually really awesome. And we have a Tinkergineering bag right over here. And yeah, so anyway, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Tinkergineering. And I think that's it. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so what you will need to make this craft, which by the way will look like this. What you will need to make this craft is a containing device. I'm using a jar. You can use a bathroom cup like in this example. See, there's a bathroom cup. Scissors. A bag of dirt, or just dirt, hot glue, something to write with, and green construction paper. Take your construction paper, a green piece of construction paper, put the rest away. Take your construction paper. First, make a shape that kind of looks like this. Or something like that. Now, you're going to draw little petals. They should look like this. Or they can look like this. Make sure you make this an appropriate size for your container. My container is big, so I'm making a big one. If your container is small, you see, this is too big for this small container. That's why it's not the appropriate size. So, don't make it too small, don't make it too big. Make it just right. Like Goldilocks' cereal. Porridge. You know what I mean. Okay, anyway, back to the DIY. Make as many petals as you think you will need. There. I think that's all the petals I'm going to need. By the way, in case you're wondering, I have 9 petals right here. Now you're just going to cut it out. Once you're finished cutting them out, take your big piece and fold the petals in. There. Now my petals are all folded in. Now it's time for your hot glue. Start with the biggest pieces. Make them look round. Like this. Now, apply a little bit of hot glue. Usually you should put them in the corners, right in the corners. So I'm going to put some hot glue there. Now place the bottom of your petal down. And continue making rows of petals like this. To make them realistic, make them look round, as I said before. It may not look real at first, but as you get more into making it, the more petals, the more real it looks. As you do your rows, make them a little bit closer. Gives it a bit more dimension. Well, like a bit more shape. Like the plant, a bit more shape. Not the petals, the plant. Once you're finished, oh my gosh, my thing just held on with a piece of hot glue string. Okay, so once you're finished, just take your jar or cup and dirt and open your jar. You don't need the lid, by the way. And just put in your dirt. Careful not to make a big mess. Okay, now just put your plant in and you're finished. Isn't this great? It's so easy to make and fast. And all you need are a few supplies. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tinkergineering. Bye!